Hello guys. So if you're facing an issue with Rockstar where it says we can't create a sign-in token, so if that's the case, you're come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to solve that issue. So what you have to do is just simply go to the game directory of GTA 5. Now in the directory you will have to create a new file. So just simply right click, new text document. Now name the text document, command line. As you can see right over here, just simply copy what I'm doing. Now double click that. Now in command line, you have to just simply paste this. So remove the quotes and this is what you have to just write over here. Then click on file and click on save. Then close it and restart your computer and then again try to sign in and it should work just fine. So that's it and thank you for watching and do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.